Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog for Day in the Life of Window Cleaner. Again, it's me and Matthew. Sun should be out, so it's been a glorious week so far in terms of the weather, and I love being able to work every day. What have I got today? I've got 20 cleans. We're going to be in Elm and Wisbeach, and then I've also got one quote that we're going to be doing in Wisbeach as well. It's next door to someone we already clean, and that's what we got done for the day. So will we do it? Who knows? I hope so. We could probably run out of water, may need to come home and refill. Don't know how this day's going to go really. I've got spare water, that might see us through. Kind of got to go for it really, haven't you? So will it happen? Who knows? What's till the end? It's gone half one. Got cleans left. We're doing one now and there's one next to it. So once we've done these, we're down to 9. Well, not 9 cleans, 8 cleans, sorry. And one of them's going to be a quote. And one of the cleans doing, my wife's just got in touch with me. It's a customer that's moved to a flat. So I'm hoping she's in, because you know what'll happen. It'll be a block of flats, loads of windows, and I want to know what windows I'm cleaning. But we'll see when I get there and make that call. But I just thought I'd go over this really. It's been quite a handy little thing, this scraper. Saying just orange, like razor blades, plastic. It's been quite good. It's getting rid of some things where my fingernail would have took a bit longer, and it saves getting stuff under your fingernail when you're about to eat sandwiches. And it's good as well. It's safe to use on UPVC frames, as I think it was Ched put a comment down, or Neil, I can't remember. It could have been both. And I thought that as well. So yeah, it's safe to use on UPVC frames, whereas your metal scrapers, you know, the blades anyway, the metal ones, you definitely wouldn't do. So not bad for something that's off Amazon for just under £5, and you get 10 blades with it. Anyway, got to crack on. We're behind times. Have to excuse the sun, it's right on my face. Right, it's 6 p.m. The day hasn't gone too good really. Well, we're finished later than normal, and we got one clean we didn't get done. That's going to be added onto tomorrow's list. The last 2 houses, we're out of water in the tank, so luckily we got the 45 litre trolley that had water in it. So Matthew did a house with that, and there's a small house, so I used the gardener's backpack that we had. And then he asked if I could do his conservatory, so it's only a small one. I wellied through that, and then I ran out of water on the backpack, luckily only on one side, so I just filled up with water in there, finished the rest of the frames off, used Synergy Pro on there, got it all nice and white, and then I just treaded the last bits of glass on that side of the conservatory and job done. Might as well, it was all going wrong, so if I finish it, that's 2 less I wouldn't have had to do tomorrow to catch up, if you get what I mean. And it's very rare that happens to us, but it did. And I think as well, we had a first cleaning effect as a customer moved out. They're in a flat, so I had to find the flat. Then we cleaned that. It's basically a house and it's divided into 3 flats. And then that turned into be like a first clean, so that ate a little bit of water as well and wasted a bit of time. But there we go, job done. But we're there. It's another day done. Another day tomorrow, Friday. There was a lot of work on that one. I think my wife Teresa's juggled some days around to fill up a quieter day with some from tomorrow, so it's not too manic, and then we can catch up on this clean. I don't think I've got too much footage in neither as well, because things are going wrong, but there you go. That's life, isn't it? Better than survival month. Anyway, that's me done. Like, subscribe, all the good stuff. YouTube will stick a video up there for you to watch next, and see you on the next one. Stay safe.